Good morning, students. How are you today? Hope you all are good. Let's start our studies. Take out this book from your bag. Building Blocks, a fun way to learn phonics. Let's see phonics today. UKG. Are you all in UKG right now? Correct. Now open the page number 12. Can you see here page number 12? Open this page 12. Let's read out few words which sounds a. We all know that a sounds a. Okay, so let's read out few words. Okay, repeat after me. B-A-T, bat. See a sound, huh? B-A-T, bat. Repeat after me. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Next row. C-A-T, cat. Please repeat after me, everyone. C-A-T, cat. R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag. D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. Guys, repeat after me. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. L-A-D, lad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. W-A-G, wag. W-A-G, wag. Have you all repeat after me? हाँ? Isn't it? सब लोग रिपीट कर रहे हैं ना मेरे बाद? Okay, good. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. F-L-A-T, flat. F-L-A-T, flat. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. G-L-A-D, glad. G-L-A-D, glad. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. C-L-A-P, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Okay, now come to the next picture. In this picture, one girl is sitting here and one boy is sitting here. So let's read out the sentence below the picture. We'll try to read it out, okay? See, P-A-M, Pam. S-A-T, sat. O-N, on. M-A-T, mat. So what is this sentence? Pam sat on a mat. Now repeat after me. Pam sat on a mat. Once again repeat after me. Pam sat on a mat. Repeat after me once again. Pam sat on a mat. Now next sentence. S-H-E, she. H-A-D, had. H-A-T, hat. Now let's read out the sentence. Repeat after me. She had a hat. Let's repeat it once again. She had a hat. Repeat once again. She had a hat. Now come to the next picture. Read it. S-A-M, Sam. S-A-T, sat. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. H-A-T, had. Now let's read out the whole sentence. Sam sat on the hat. Sam sat on the hat. Repeat after me. Sam sat on the hat. Nice, no? So once again repeat after me. Sam sat on the hat. Now come to the next picture. Let's read out. T-H-E, the. H-A-T, hat. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. M-A-T, mat. I-S, is. F-L-A-T, flat. Okay. Now read out the sentence and repeat after me. The hat on the mat is flat. Once again repeat. The hat on the mat is flat. Nice, no? The hat on the mat is flat. Once again repeat after me. The hat on the mat is flat. Very nice. Now read this page once again. Okay, now come to the next page. On this page we can see few pictures. In this pictures, in name also one A sound, but this is a long A sound. In the previous page we can see short A sound like bat, bag, bad. In these words we can find out short A sound. And now on this page we can find out long A sound. मतलब लंबा A sound रहेगा. पहले वाले पेज में हमने क्या देखा? शॉर्ट A sound. जैसे क्विक A sound होता था. जैसे cat, rag, dad, man, quick. But on this page it will take some time. It's a long A sound. Let's see the pictures and read the words. Okay. Grapes, grapes. See, long A sound. Huh? Listen it carefully. Grapes, grapes. A sound is little bit longer than previous one. Okay, read it once again and repeat after me. Grapes, grapes. Repeat once again. Grapes, grapes. Okay, now come to the next picture. S-N-A-K-E, snake, snake. See, can you listen it carefully? Then you understand this is long A sound. Snake. Okay, repeat after me. Snake. Now come to the next picture. C-A-K-E, cake. Repeat once again. Cake. Can you hear a long A sound? Cake. लंबा सा A sound आता है ना? Cake. Repeat after me. Cake. Now come to the next picture. It's a plate. Repeat once again. Plate. Long A sound. Plate. Plate. Now come to the next picture. It's a gate. Gate. See, long A sound. Gate. And last picture is table. Table. Long A sound. Repeat after me. Table. Table. Once again repeat after me. Table. So this is called long sounds, long as sound, and previous page is, this page is called short as sound. This is long as sound. Okay, nice, no? So read it once again. Okay, now close this book. Close this book. And take out your next book. Now we are going to learn a concept. अभी हम क्या learn करेंगे? One concept. Take out this book from your bag. Building blocks, a fun way to learn numeracy skills. NS, that means maths. UKG. Maths का book निकालेंगे. Page number 9. Can you see your page number 9? Good. Now open this page. Here we can see more and less concept. More means क्या? More means ज़्यादा. Less means what? कम. More means ज़्यादा. Less means कम. We'll see few examples for more and less concept. Okay. So now here we can see more pens. Here we can see more pens. यहाँ पे मेरे पास pens है. Okay, I have 5 pens. And on the other hand, I have 2 pens. These are the less. More, less. Can you see? More मतलब ज़्यादा. Less, कम. More and less. Understood? More means what? ज़्यादा. Less, कम. Now we'll take another example. We can see here few pencils. Can you see a few pencils? These are more. ज़्यादा है ये. This means these are more pencils. And now here it is 2 pencils. So these are less. This is more. This is less. More, less. Understood? More मतलब ज़्यादा. Less मतलब कम. Here we have so many pencils. So these are more. And this is less. More and less. Now we'll take another examples. We have few crayons here. Can you see a few crayons? These are more. Okay. And on the other hand, I have only 3 crayons. These are less. More, ज़्यादा. Less, कम. More, less. More, less. Understood? Now the concept is clear, I think, in your mind. Clear है ना सबको concept? More मतलब ज़्यादा. Less मतलब कम. So now we'll do few class work. So write down CW here. यहाँ पे सबको अभी CW लिखना है. So what is our today's CW? Take the group that has more in each set. अभी यहाँ पे हमें 2 sets दिए हैं. In one set we can see few 1, 2, 3, 4 kites, and on the other set we have only 1 kite. So which one is more? So we have to take the kite, take the group which has more. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, and here only 1. So that means we have to take here because this group has more kite. So let's take in this column. Why? Because these are more kites and this is less. Okay. Now come to the next picture. In this group we can see 1, 2, 3 chicks, and in this group we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicks. So which one is more? 5. This one. So tick in this circle because this group has more chicks. Understood? Now next picture is color the balls in the set that has less ball. जिस set में less मतलब कम ball है उसको हमको color करना है. So this is your homework part. So count balls from each set. In this set how many balls and another set how many balls. So count each set and then color the set which has less ball. जो set में कम ball है, less balls है, उसको हमको color करना है. So this is your today's homework activity. Understood? Now open page number 31 from the same book. उसी बुक में का पेज नंबर 31 ओपन करना है. दिस पेज, कैन यू सी योर पेज नंबर 31? दिस पेज, द सेम बुक, मैथ्स का ही बुक है, एनएस बुक, पेज नंबर 31. दिस इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क पार्ट. देन व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज फॉर होमवर्क टुडे? सो रीड इट. There are 10 numbers in these pictures. Find and circle them. Now we can see, everyone can see this picture. सबको दिख रहा है ना ये picture? आपके book में ये picture दिख रहा है. Now what we'll have to do is, यहाँ पे कुछ numbers दिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे 19, here we can see 25 number, here 16 number, here 30 number, 40 number. जैसे पूरे पिक्चर्स में टोटल 10 नंबर्स है. कितने नंबर्स है? 10. लाइक दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे करते 6 ऐसे 10 नंबर्स है. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है नंबर और उसको सर्कल करना है. सपोज ये 19 नंबर मिला मुझे, तो दिस इज आई कैन सर्कल द 19 नंबर. अंडरस्टूड? So this is your today's homework. पूरे पिक्चर में टोटल 10 numbers are there in this picture and you will have to find out the numbers and circle all the numbers. समझ में आया? सबको numbers find out करने हैं और उसको circle करना है. टोटल 10 numbers हैं. This is your homework activity. Now come to the next page. Page number 32. Can you see your page number 32? So on this page we have 1 to 50 numbers. 1 to 50 numbers. We have to trace each number. Dots पे tracing करना है. थोड़ा भी आजू बाजू इधर उधर किधर भी नहीं जाना है. Understood? So ये तो easy है आपके लिए. So this is also your homework part. Understood? पूरा 1 to 50 नंबर तक हमको ट्रेसिंग करना है. विल हैव टू ट्रेस ईच नंबर स्लोली और पूरा नंबर 50 तक अच्छे से इधर उधर बाहर कहीं भी नहीं निकालना है और ट्रेसिंग करना है. एंड यू विल हैव टू से वाइल राइटिंग. मतलब आपको बोल के लिखना है. लाइक अभी यहाँ पे 1 लिखा तो से 1. आफ्टर दैट वाइल राइटिंग 2 से 2, मतलब बोलना है और फिर लिखना है. 3 4 5 6 ऐसे बोल के आपको लिखना है 50 तक. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस 2 page homework and then last phonics coloring activity 1 page homework. So this is for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.